So Bill, Hector, Big Chief, and I decided to take a motorcycle trip up to Lake Murray just to go check it out. Beautiful sunny day out, good day to ride our motorcycles. So we hopped on them and went for a ride. Nice cool weather in the morning. We got started at about 6 a.m. So the weather was just right. As you can see, I'm gonna need to relocate my GoPro. The windshield kind of blocks the view, so probably gonna get some GoPro jaws to go on the handlebars there to get a better view while I'm riding instead of the chin mount that I have on my helmet. This here is the scenic 377 state highway that we decided to take on the way up there. As you can see, lots of open land on either side of us. Just really beautiful ride. And 377 basically takes you straight up from Texas to Oklahoma. Straight shot, beautiful open land, scenic ride, just amazing views. And the weather was perfect that morning. Still maintaining good formation, good speeds, hovering I'd say between 80 and 90 miles an hour. As we passed through the small towns, we had to drop our speed somewhat. Red light, had to stop, wait for construction, pick it back up here again. But speed-wise, we're maintaining a good, healthy speed, maintaining our form, and just a beautiful ride all around. You see the water on either side of us here. Got some good water there. Still riding. The nice thing about riding with these guys is we all have our Sena comms connected, our Bluetooth headsets connected, so while we're riding we can communicate with each other, and which is really helpful for when you're planning on stopping, turns, obstructions in the roads, hazards. It comes in real handy whenever you're trying to communicate with each other in regards to safety hazards, as well as just shooting the breeze and passing the time while you're riding, and cracking jokes here and there, and just cutting up and having a good time. Right here, we're about to pull into the park. As a matter of fact, we're pulling into the park right here, and we're about to roll in and take us to the first stop, where we're going to take some pictures and check out the water and the scenic views, and just take a quick little break here. This is Lake Murray here, just really beautiful place in Oklahoma. Nice clear waters, good place to picnic, nice beach area. As you can see, people out there swimming, so you get out there, take your family and go swimming out there, have a barbecue. Here's the guys and gals having a good time, good ride. I don't think I caught it on the video, but whenever we were passing lanes, I was sweeping. I was the guy riding in the back, both there and back. And whenever we were passing lanes, because the car or truck or whatever was in front of us was too slow, I was getting all kinds of debris kicked up at me in the center lane. I don't know if trash just accumulates in the center lane or what, but whenever we pass, and since I was a guy in the back, all that debris was getting kicked up at me, hitting my legs, my arms and stuff. And, just, it didn't hurt really bad. It was just more annoying than anything.